everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vidio and you can call me Pram. Welcome to this English pronunciation video. At this video, we will focus on 4 English vowel sounds. So, let's try to make this sound. E. E. When you pronounce it, your tongue is a little higher in your mouth and it's a short sound. E. E. Let's practice with the word king, king, ring, ring, pill, pill, dip, dip, pip, pip. The second sound is E, E. When you say it, stretch out your lips a little more and it's a long sound. E, E. Let's practice with some words. Need, need, real, real, thin, thin, leave, leave, deal, deal. Good job, guys. Next, the third sound is A, 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 A. Okay, let's try with these words. Smell, smell, best, best, bless, bless, check, check, very, very. Good, guys. Then the last sound is A, 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 A. Okay, let's practice with the words. Run, run, crush, crush, grab, grab, pass, pass, fat, fat. Okay, guys, it is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it and see you.